Hey, hey, hey. It's me, Fritz. We're here in Malibu. We just restored all this. My right-hand man wasn't with me today that normally takes all the pictures and video for me and everything, so I'm doing it. The purpose of this video is water damage and, not sticking to, sticking to the sealer and, the maintenance and that type of thing. And what happens is over time with these things, if you don't seal them, water starts to soften them, and when it softens them, it slowly makes the seal, the surface pop. So you got to stick to the maintenance, people. You know what I mean? It's like every 3 years or so, you've got to get out, clean these things, reapply the sealer. You can just see how it's like a different surface compared to, say, that one that didn't get the bad damage. So that they had, actually, there's a pot sitting here. So I do the best I can to get all this crap out, but it's, after being neglected for just so long, you can see like stuff like right there where they really just started to fall apart. All I could do is make that look the best I can. It gets to a point where some stuff's just out of my control. So purpose of the video, water damage. Remember, water is the enemy, people. You got to elevate your pots. You got to, you guys aren't listening. Adjust your sprinklers, adjust your drip systems, keep your pots elevated, maintain the sealers. You guys are spending a lot of money to put all this stuff in and to have to rip it out after 3, 4, 5 years. So remember, the sealing and the maintenance, it's just like with your car. It's a long-term thing. If you want your car to go 300,000 miles, you got to stick to the oil change and the tune-ups and the brake jobs and everything. So the tile is no different, people. You gotta stick to the maintenance. So you can see, I think we made it look pretty good with what I was given. I gotta tell you guys that. I actually kind of impressed myself on this one. What you guys can't see is the surface is missing on most of the, like 90% of these tiles. But the way I did my process and sealed it, we made it look good, and the people are happy with it because they couldn't rip this out. This is the front, there's the back too, which is like 1,200 square feet. This would cost 30, 40 grand to replace. So stay informed, people. Like us, subscribe, share, and most important of all, don't be lazy. Take care of your stuff. Put in the time to do it. It'll be worth it in the long run.